Remember when flying just meant defying gravity? Wings, engines, and a daring pilot were enough to rule the skies. Today, aviation is pushing beyond that. Less Top Gun, more Star Wars. Leading this leap is the U.S. Air Force's X-44 Manta, a tailless, stealthy marvel packed with AI and cutting-edge tech. It's not just a fighter jet, it's a bold look at the future of flight. Meet the Manta. Imagine an aircraft so revolutionary, it doesn't even need a tail to maneuver through the sky. The X-44 Manta laughs in the face of traditional design, tossing out conventional flight control surfaces like the rudder, elevator, and ailerons. Instead, it relies on cutting-edge 3D thrust, vectoring a brilliant technology that uses directional engine exhaust to steer the aircraft in any direction. In layman's terms, it's like teaching a brick to perform ballet in space. This allows the Manta to execute jaw-dropping turns, spins, and rolls with an elegance that would make Olympic gymnasts jealous. It moves with the agility of a mosquito on an espresso binge, yet with the precision of a laser-guided missile. Despite having no tail or stabilizers, the Manta maintains flawless control over yaw, pitch, and roll. Its tailless delta wing design isn't just aerodynamic genius. It looks like it was pulled straight out of a Marvel movie storyboard. Bold, futuristic, and undeniably lethal, the Manta is the new gold standard in aerial innovation, above the clouds, beyond the stratosphere. While most fighter jets get jittery just thinking about the upper reaches of Earth's atmosphere, the X-44 Manta treats it like its personal playground. Designed to operate far beyond the limits of traditional aircraft, this beast can soar over 53 miles above the surface, deep into the mesosphere, a frigid zone where temperatures drop below -100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the kind of cold that would make even a penguin wrap itself in a blanket and reconsider its life choices. But not the Manta. It cruises through these brutal conditions like it's a sunny Sunday drive. Thanks to its stealth features and untraceable altitude, it becomes a literal ghost in the sky. Radar systems, virtually useless. Infrared, forget it. Trying to track the Manta is like trying to swat a fly that's already flown out the window. Frustrating, futile, and downright impossible. In aerial warfare, altitude means advantage, and the Manta holds the high ground like never before. A ghost in the radar. Designed through a high-level collaboration between NASA and Lockheed Martin, yes, the same geniuses behind the F-35 Lightning II, the X-44 Manta is stealth redefined. This aircraft doesn't just fly under the radar. It practically erases itself from it. Its tailless delta wing design isn't just for sleek aesthetics. It significantly reduces its radar cross-section, making it as elusive as a whisper in a wind tunnel. Picture an aircraft that can glide into enemy airspace, collect top-secret intelligence, and slip out without so much as a radar ping. It's the military version of ghosting, just with supersonic speed and a few missiles in the mix. The Manta is the kind of jet that makes traditional detection systems feel like dial-up internet in a 5G world, faster than a ninja on an energy drink, and quieter than a cat burglar in socks. This aircraft is built to confuse, outmaneuver, and disappear. By the time you realize it was there, it's already back at base, reviewing the surveillance footage. When jets get smarter than pilots, the X-44 Manta doesn't need a pilot to pull off its aerial acrobatics. It's been fitted with artificial intelligence that processes data in real time, allowing it to assess threats and take evasive action, or go full offense without human intervention. That's right, it's essentially an airborne Siri with killer instincts. Equipped with autonomous weapon systems, this stealth drone can lock onto moving targets, adjust for wind conditions, and even perform strike missions, all without needing a bathroom break. The AI can predict enemy behavior, adapt mid-flight, and react faster than any human could. The global arms race. While the US was busy breaking aviation records, other global powers weren't exactly snoozing. Russia unveiled its own reply, the Sukhoi Su-75 Checkmate, a single-engine stealth fighter with a cool name and even cooler features. It boasts a diverterless supersonic inlet for smoother airflow, V-tail configuration for agility, and a hefty 7,400 kilogram payload. With speeds approaching Mach 2, it's designed to battle the Manta, F-35, and China's Chengdu FC-31 head-on. Meanwhile, China has thrown its hat in the ring with the J-20 stealth fighter, part of its next-gen JXX program. With long-range missiles and high maneuverability, it's no joke, though it still falls short of the Manta's gravity-defying antics. Anti-gravity, real, or just really cool? Let's address the elephant in the hangar, anti-gravity. While official sources remain hush-hush, speculation is soaring that the Manta incorporates propulsion technology that defies traditional lift, whether it's manipulating gravity fields or using exotic fuels. Something's making this jet fly where others fail. If real, anti-gravity tech would be as game-changing as the invention of sliced bread or Wi-Fi. Not only would it obliterate current altitude limits, but it could allow for spacebound missions, turning the Manta into a satellite's cooler, younger cousin. From spy planes to AI killers, traditionally, warfare involved sending scouts behind enemy lines, often with tragic consequences. Today, we send drones like the Manta, instead machines that don't bleed, cry, or ask for hazard pay. With built-in intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance capabilities, the Manta can map enemy terrain, analyze threats, and fire missiles, all autonomously. But here's the twist. Its artificial intelligence isn't just smart, it's strategically smart. The aircraft collects real-time data, evaluates risks, and makes strike decisions faster than you can say launch. It's the aerial equivalent of chess played at 1,740 miles per hour. When the plane plays God, here's where things get murky. The Manta's autonomy and AI-driven strike capabilities raise some very serious questions. If an aircraft can make decisions about life and death, where do we draw the line? Are we ready for a sky filled with flying robots that decide what constitutes a threat without human oversight? Experts and tech leaders, including Elon Musk, have warned against AI weapons capable of autonomous action. Their fear, once we open this Pandora's box, closing it could be impossible. It's one thing for a drone to fly itself. It's another for it to become judge, jury, and executioner. What the Manta really means. The X-44 Manta isn't just a plane, it's a prophecy. It represents where aerial warfare is headed. Unmanned, AI-driven, gravity-defying machines that strike before radar blips even appear. But this isn't just about war. The implications for commercial aviation are huge. Imagine flying above the stratosphere, with views that rival the International Space Station. Journeys from New York to Tokyo in under 2 hours. Why not? However, the risks are just as vast. Autonomous warfare, AI decision-making, and anti-gravity tech are thrilling, but they're also unpredictable. As nations rush to match the US's technological leap, a new kind of arms race has begun. One that doesn't just span continents, but stretches beyond Earth's atmosphere. The X-44 Manta is no ordinary aircraft. It's a flying paradox. It promises safety through strength, progress through automation, and dominance through stealth. It redefines warfare and may soon redefine travel, surveillance, and national defense. But with great innovation comes great responsibility. As the world looks on in awe and maybe a little terror, one thing is clear. We've entered a new era of aviation, and the skies, they're just the beginning. If you found this deep dive into the future of aviation as thrilling as a supersonic flyby, don't forget to hit that like button. Want more jaw-dropping tech, military marvels, and next-gen secrets? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a takeoff. Got thoughts on the Manta or futuristic warfare? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for flying with us today. See you in the next mission.